So today we're going to be talking about Rockets of Awesome. It's a subscription you get monthly. I'll give you more details in the description below. So this is my son Ivan. He's actually going to be opening his first box. It's going to be the month of fall. Okay, go ahead and put it on the table. And then lay it flat. And then open the box. Oh, you can get down. You can get down. Yeah. All right. Yep. Open it. And then lay it down. Lay the box down. No, the other way. The other way. Yep, like that. Good job. So, let's see. It says, Rockets of Awesome Laboratory. So, look, do you like all the coloring? Do you want to color that?
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how the box looks like from the inside. And they have, seems like tin foil. And the paper says, awesome alert, keep everything in this box for only $150. This discount will apply automatically when you keep everything at checkout. Simple as that.
Can I open it?
And sure, this is the back of the card. We'll just leave that aside. You open the tape. Okay, I'll help you open that. Okay, let's see. Or you just take out the clothes. Uh-oh. Can you grab the paper that fell? Okay.
Glass.
Okay, come over here. Come over here and show the clothes.
Put it right here.
No, you show it to mommy. And you open it. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. No, you just stay right there. Yep, and so mommy's gonna show them. And turn to the back. Let me see the back. Do you like the pants or the jogger? It has lightning on it.
It's too big.
We'll try it on you later, okay?
Oh.
All right. Okay, put it on the side for now. Good job.
Is
Let's go.
more?
Yeah, go look at more. Go open more.
Okay. Oh,
Let's
I like
see.
this.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see.
No, it's the wrong way. What is that? What is that picture?
Hamburger.
Yes, it is. Let's look in the back. And it says, beam me up with cheese. Okay, put it right here for now.
Huh?
Put it right here.
Is this mine?
Yeah, we can decide what to keep later, okay?
Okay.
And then go grab the next one. Go
Okay.
grab. Yep, we'll come look at those later.
What is this?
Let's see. Okay. Stay back. Stay back. Yep, so I can see you. Let's see. Oh, wow. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it around. So it's a stripe, black and white striped shirt. All right. Okay, and then put it right there for now. Okay, let's go look at the next one.
Okay. Out.
You okay?
Yes.
And the other way, it's a pants or it's a jogger. Nope. Yeah, like that. Okay. And it's a black and white jogger. Probably it's nice with the black and white stripes. All right. Okay, go ahead.
What is this?
And oops, pick that up. Pick the one and then put it on the box for now. Or okay, yep. Let's see. Let's show that one.
What?
Turn it the other way. What is that?
I don't know.
Let's see. It's a basketball hoop.
Oh.
All right. And then go ahead.
Yes.
Yep. Well, look at that one. It's another jogger. Let's see. Turn around so we can see it. It's a black jogger. Now turn it around the other way. Yep, like that. Good job. All right. Okay, then go ahead and put it there. Oops. And then go ahead. What is that? Another jogger? Let's see. Open it. Stay back a little
Okay.
so I can see. All right. Turn it around. All right. Okay. It's a blue jogger. Okay. Go ahead and put it to the side. And let's see. It's a hoodie. It's a black and white hoodie. Can you turn it around for mommy? All right. Okay. Okay, then put it to the side. Is there any more?
No.
All right. Okay. And then with everything that you don't want, here's a bag that they actually provided, so you can actually turn anything that you don't want, and they don't really I mean, they're not actually going to charge you, so there's no commitment. So if you don't want anything, you can actually just return everything back with no commitment. So if you're interested in any of these, we'll let you know which one he decide. And this is the inside of the box, and I'll be showing you some of the items that he will be wearing. Okay, so this is the sheet, Rockets of Awesome, and that's the return information, and that is the labeled for return, any returns that you're not going to keep, and you can actually return all of it. It's up to you. You can actually keep some and return some, but first of all, you have to let them know in advance in your app or in your email. So let's go ahead and see which is which. So what I have here, let's see, so this one is the stripe hoodie navy, and that is $29.50. And then this one is a jogger, so it's a lightning jogger Heather Comet, and that is $26.50. And this one with the blue and white stripes, that's the track jogger navy, that is $29.50. And this one is the black stripe baseball tee, black, let's see, that is $22.50. And this one is off court jogger, black jogger. Let's see. Oh, that's $26.50. And then this hamburger blue one is cheeseburger, UFOT. Let's see. $22.50. And this is the other jogger, the blue Heather Lake knit jogger. That is let's see, that is $24.50. And the orange one is the basketball orange, and that is $22.50. Overall, I think the price is a little bit too pricey, but under $22 or $25 is great. Okay, so far, I deliver everything in the package. I love the package. The package is pretty presentable. It's really nice for kids of all ages to age 12. I do like the fact that you can actually pick out what you want and what you don't want. Alright, so this is my my 2 cents about Rockets of Awesome. You can actually purchase one, and then they have a subscription going on monthly. So it's only like not monthly, but 4 seasons only: fall, winter, summer, and spring, I believe. And you can actually skip a box if you want. If you don't want it that month or that season, you can actually unskip it too. You can pick out your outfit whenever you want, or maybe within 48 hours before they ship the pack. And if you guys like this video, or if you guys have any questions, or if you guys need to know how to get this box, I'll leave the link down below. If you guys have any other questions, again, comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are interested in this video, or if you like this video. And I'll see you in my next video, and I'll link everything down below. Thanks. See you again next time. Bye.